I am going to show you how you can get loads of extra space with your packing, especially at the end of your holiday. If you do this when you're on holiday and have a special bag or area for dirty washing, and then come to the end of the holiday and just pile everything in, because who needs to fold and roll dirty washing? So I'm going to show you how you can get up to 15 days worth of clothes in one bag with the Ekster Vacuum Pack bags. And these come with an actual vacuum as well. Let me show you. So Ekster do a full range of travel accessories, including these vacuum pack bags and travel wallets as well, to keep all your cards and your cash safe. But I am going to show you the vacuum pack bag by Ekster that comes with this handy travel vacuum as well. Now, I've tried the cheaper version of these, and the problem with them is they tend to come unstuck and the air tends to fill back in. If you're not sure what these are, you put as much as you can in and you suck the air out, and it basically compacts it so you can put it in your case and have loads more space. But this is all the dirty washing from our little family of 4 break, and packing all of this into your case like that is just going to take up all the space. And as I said at the beginning of this video, no one wants to pack this stuff properly, do they? You haven't got the excitement of going on holiday. You haven't got to worry about creases and stuff like that. You just want to get it in and get home. But with the Ekster Vacuum Pack Bag, we're going to see if we can get all of this into this. I'm not saying we will, but we'll give it a go, eh? First up, what makes this bag completely different is it is sealable. It really does seal, and it's such good quality as well. In fact, the zip, look, you can see the quality, and you can see how it literally will seal that tight, meaning no air will get in there. And when we use a little travel vacuum on here, well, you'll see what happens. So let's see how much of this we can get in. To utilise the best space, my top tip for these vacuum pack bags is to lie things flat. That is the best way to do it. So I think I've managed to get quite a lot in there. That pile looks a lot less, doesn't it? Zip it up nice and tight. And then comes the magic. This is the Ekster Vacuum. Portable, chargeable, compact, comes with USB to charge, and comes charged out of the box. Take the label off, and let's give this a go, shall we? So really easy to open this. Press the vacuum in there, and even on pushing down, you can hear the air coming out. And then you just press the button. So we went from a huge pile of clothes to this. That is going to save a lot of space and a lot of messing for your travels. So there is a little top tip. Get yourself one of these Ekster travel packs with the vacuum, and not only will you be able to take extra luggage, but you might be able to buy yourself something on holiday as well and still be able to fit it in your case. I'll put the links below. Use the code TravelON and you'll get yourself a nice little discount as well. There you go, top tips from Mr. TravelON. And if your Mrs. TravelON is planning on buying more things to go home with, you might need to get your cash or a credit card out. And this bad boy keeps everything where it should be. It's portable, compact, and is the ultimate travel wallet. Let me show you this. When you travel, you're always spending money, aren't you? And gone are the days of bulky wallets. And whilst many of us are paying on card when we're at home, because that's what we're used to, when you're on holiday and traveling, you tend to get cash as well, local currency, just in case of emergencies, don't you? But this Ekster leather wallet smells absolutely divine, looks really cool, and holds up to 12 cards. So you can have all your credit cards in here. And let's face it, when you are asking for the bill, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Inside is a handy little place to keep your cash as well. And this will hold up to 12 cards, 5 to 7, which will be in that section. And then there's other sections around here where you can put extra cards at the back. And they also do a special tracker card, which will fit inside here, which is compatible with Apple and Android. And with that, if you lose this, you can track it and find exactly where it is. I'm not saying that when you go on holiday, the chances of you getting robbed is higher, but the chances of you losing things certainly are. And there's crime all over the world, isn't there? So if this goes missing, you can track it within a second and inform the local authorities. This also has the RFID blocker inside. And if you don't know what that is, that means unscrupulous people cannot scan your cards while they're sat in here. Believe it or not, that does happen. And when you're on holiday, you do seem to let your inhibitions down a bit, don't you? So this will keep you safe from scams, safe from theft with the tracker card, and looks and smells absolutely fantastic, doesn't it? It fits in your pocket as well and doesn't look bulky. The ideal travel accessory. I'll put the link below so you can find out more information about that and use the code TravelON. You'll get yourself a discount. Ekster seem to be the way forward when it comes to travel accessories, packing and day-to-day.